If you want to unlink your Amazon account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account and list menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for the login and security section. Click on it to view your linked accounts and settings. Step 4. Find Facebook link. Scroll through the linked accounts section to find the Facebook link. There should be an option indicating that your Amazon account is connected to Facebook. Step 5. Unlink the account. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Confirm the action when prompted to finalize the disconnection. After completing these steps, your Amazon account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.